Hello YouTube, I Fix It All here, Team I Fix It All. So garden season is starting, but different topic today. This video is for TE equipment and my ESD mat I'm looking for. Let me show you what I'm talking about, guys. And if anybody out there has worked in electronics where they've soldered on a surface at a pace station in aviation electronics in US Navy where they had this hardboard on top of their desk where, I think I'm zoomed in, of course, a hardboard that you're soldering on, and it's like bulletproof. It never burns. It's hard to destroy. Let me know what this stuff is called, because TE Equipment, TE, Tango Echo Equipment out of New Jersey, they've been real helpful so far. Let's see what they can come up with, but I'm going to do a video on that part so they can identify and help me find what I need. Hang tight. So let's go in the garage here. For the remainder of the video, I'm talking to the people at TE Equipment. So I built myself a makeshift electronics repair station right here. I'm just building it, but I don't want to have live equipment setting on this metal top. What you shipped me was this right here. And there's no way in hell this thing is going to put up with any heat from a soldering iron. Let me demonstrate what I'm talking about. This is what I need right here. And get something to bang on it with. Here we go. It measures 140 thousandths. It's somewhere between 1/8 and let me shine some light on the edge of this. Hang tight. All right, here we go. I think it's Bakelite. And I wonder if it's ceramic coated on the top. It might be a Bakelite board, but the reason why there is some damage is because time has taken its toll. But this was my soldering bench cover when I was in the Navy. I got out in '95. And, well, my boys and I have had a few events occur on this, but it's always been very dependable. I got a hot soldering iron. There you go. Check that out. I'm just going to let that tip sit there for a minute. Check that tip out. Let me get some solder. You notice how long that tip has been sitting there. No burn. Watch this. As I'm soldering, I can just come in here and snatch up some solder. That's flux. See that? I can come in here and get more solder right on the bench. I wouldn't be able to do that with a foam mat. This is like premium stuff here. What is this? Because it's an ESD mat. It used to have an integrated snap right here, or actually right here, for a wristband for ESD. And it's tan on one side and tan on the other, and it's got that brown center. It might be ceramic coated Bakelite. I don't know, but God, it's a 4-minute video already. Look at that. Sure, if you leave the soldering iron there long enough, it's going to leave a spot. But that's what I'm looking for. A hard surface that's non-conductive, that can handle the abuse. Yeah, again, I measured it. It's somewhere between 3/16 and 1/8 inch thick. 4 foot by 2 foot. And the purpose of this new item is to go over here on this. This is some shelving material and a makeshift electronics repair bench I'm building. where I can do my greasy work over there from now on and do my intricate smalls electronics work over here that I'm building. All right, TE equipment, help me out. This foam mat was a gentleman's mistake, honestly. The tech support guy and I thought we found what we needed. If we had scrolled down and read the reviews, we would have noticed this item comes rolled up in a box, and for what I'm looking for, it would be impossible to roll this up. This is some sort of magic. But anyone who does electronics repair work, this should be the only thing they ever use for repairing electronics. There's no reason to use those inferior foam mats that have a life expectancy. This is it. And I believe it's made by 3M. I think it's Bakelite. And I don't know, it could be ceramic coated. I don't know. Help me out. See ya. Bye.